We start with one hour chart. As we can see, the way it's moving is really corrective because if we refer to our analysis, we have been mentioning we can look for, we mentioned how we can look for buy, but beside that, we mentioned that made this one tend to flat for one more drop. The price dropped, but what we were expected to get similar to what we have here. This is a sharp move. Okay, what I can see is still this one we can put as a correction relative to this. Okay, as I mentioned, the way it's moving is really corrective. I now we want to see how we can look for trade because there is no much different in relative to my last. If you compare to my last analysis, the only thing is we want to see whether we can get the reversal or not. Okay, and as we can see based on the daily chart, the price, we want to see whether the price can break this support or not. As you can see a few times it tagged but it couldn't, but if there is a breakout we can expect the price drop quite sharp. Okay, but we are not looking for sell, we're looking for the reversal, and we can expect the price even to drop to 0.0059. This is what we mentioned. Okay, it doesn't mean the price have to exactly drop to this level, but from what we can see here, it tried to break the support, which is 0.00743. But as you can see, every time tag is reverse. Now we want to see whether this one can reverse or not. If we get any reversal, we will take the trade. We will look for buy. Okay, and the only thing is any buy we're looking for sharp move similar to what we get here, because this correction right now we think that it can be more complex because we have been looking for this as a internal flat in relative to this. That's why we mentioned if we get one more drop we can look for reversal, but right now from what we can see here, this is turned to internal correction relative to this. Okay, either this one can return break the previous low or we can expect one move up. This one tend to move complex before we get the next drop, and then from there we can look for the reversal. Anyway, right now we're looking for buy, we are not looking for sell, but if we want to look for buy we have to wait for the reversal. Okay, and now the question is, if we get a correction here, can we expect the price to drop and break this trend line? But okay, this is the question. That's why we shouldn't look for sell. If anyone wants to look for sell, they need to be quite careful because every time the price broke this support, is reverse. Okay, the best thing is if we get any reversal, we look for the trade, either by with a sharp move flag, or in my last analysis we mentioned we can have entry above this. No, either we can have entry above this or we move or entry above this. Okay, this is the price broke the previous low. Okay, if you want to have entry either from above this top, which is almost 0.008, okay, maybe put a bit higher, or we can have entry above this top, which is 0.00833. Okay, anyway, any trade we get for buy, what we're looking for sharp move, not the corrective move. And we from there also we need to bear in mind maybe this one tend to bigger correction in relative to this. That's why if we want to have entry above the top, we better we put it, we shift it to here. Okay, again it depends on the traders and it depends how they can manage it. And what we're looking for, having entry above the top, we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.